Hey guys, if you have one of these drones, like a DJI Phantom 4 or a Mavic or whatever, intelligent drone, you're in for it in 2020. The FAA has some proposed rules to track you, so stay tuned. If you have one of these drones, you're going to be tracked by the FAA. There are some proposed rules that are going to assign an ID to every drone that's over 0.55 pounds. There's a couple ways they're going to do it. They're probably going to do it in software. When you take off and when you land, they're going to know exactly where you are, and they want to know where all the drones are. Before, all you needed was a registration number on your drone. The same registration number would cover every drone that you own that's over 0.55 pounds. Now every drone is going to have a separate registration and ID, and it's going to be tracked. And there's a couple ways of doing it. First of all, the manufacturers of the drones are going to have to add an ID number for each drone. It's probably going to cost some money, and the prices are going to go up. They want to know your altitude and your location so that you're in compliance with all the rules. It's all about safety first. That said the FAA Administrator Steve Dixon. Drones are multiplying like crazy. Every year more and more people are buying these drones for recreation or even becoming drone pilots for business use. The remote identification are proposed right now, and there's three types of identification. The first type is standard remote identification. The second one is limited remote identification. The third one is FAA recognized identification area. Of course, there are going to be databases that are tracking you. And the tracking are going to be going to local law enforcement and general public, and it's going to be over the internet in these various cases. Right now, there's software in my DJI Phantom 4 that notifies me if I'm within 5 miles of an airport or even a hospital, and it allowed me to take off. I was checking someone's roof, and I was about 2 miles from a hospital and 3 miles from a small airport. So there is software that tracks you now, but it's going to be more detailed because they're going to track every move that you make with your drone. That's the latest, something that they're proposing, and it's probably going to go into effect in 2020. So if you like this crazy tech blog, please subscribe. The subscribe button is right over there in the corner. Thanks very much.